Right guys, we've got a little Peugeot 308. It's in for a corner of the bumper. A little bit of damage on the edge of the wing, but not a lot. So corner of the bumper, blend the wing out. Was trying to keep the colour away from the rest of the bumper, the other side and this front edge, but in the end ended up painting it all just to make it look a bit nicer. And being black, colour match shouldn't really be a problem, to be fair. This colour's Peugeot KTV is the code. It's got a black with a slight bit of pearl metallic in it. So yeah, colour shouldn't really be a problem. So yeah, we're just tacking it down. Just gave a light coat over the wing. Give another light coat over the bumper. This is a PPG water-based scheme, and if you go heavy on the first coat, it can really, like, not pickle up or fry up, but just go all funny, like almost like there's silicone all over the panel, but there's not. So we just use one light coat over everything, so we know that we've got a base down and we're not going to get any sort of horrible reaction. So there we're going to put a first wet coat over the bumper now. As you see, we put one wet coat on the wing. The wing won't need a lot of covering, there was no primer on it really, just a couple of little breakthroughs, so concentrate more on the bumper. So we'll do one full wet coat now, get some nice coverage and then see how it looks after that. Using the Wacom Slim Combat 1.3, great gun, and I'll clean it out and use it for clear on this job as well, just because it's a great all-rounder. Right, so we're just blowing it off now, ready for a drop coat over the wing and the bumper. Just lightly drop it on, even it all out, make it look nice before we put on 2 full wet coats of clear. back in now. We've got clearing the gun for this job. I think I probably used about 0.6, so 600 mils of clear for the 2 coats. Just tacking it off, and we'll give everything a light coat over first, because I had a little funny patch on the wing. So I gave everything just a light coat, grip coat, and then we'll do 2 full wet coats. Right, it has flashed off, probably for about 7 or 8 minutes. So we're back in, putting a full second coat on. Bumper first, because we did that first in the last one, and then we'll do the wing again. Spraying about 2 bar, full fluid, full fan on this guy.